Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pepe. Today I want to talk about a software called cointracking, which I use for portfolio tracking and tax reports. Okay, this software has different capabilities and different sections that we are going to see across the video. In order to summarize some of these features, they divide it into personal analysis, where you can see interactive charts for trades and coins. You can calculate some key indicators. You see profit and losses, the coin value, and the balance that you have for those coins. You can see also realized and unrealized gains. So that is what they call personal analysis. Also, they have a section where you can see the trades and fees. You can group that by exchange. You can do a search interactive, and you have different common functions that help you understand what transactions you did and where you put your money. The other section they have is the tax declaration or tax report, where you can report capital gains. You can report different documents that are related to your government. It can be prepared for accountants and tax office. Actually, also it has an import into TurboTax and software that are common use by people who prepare their own taxes. The other thing they have is a trade importer. So they have different features where you can you can import trades. You can import via CSV, via Excel, via APIs, JSON files, XMLs, and you also can synchronize with the different wallets. Then you can analyze charts for coins. Actually, they have around 5,200, I think, coins. Most of the coins that are in CoinMarketCap are going to be in this software. So that is a little bit a summary of what we are going to see with this software. So here, just showing my page, what I did was I import only transactions between July and September. So we have data to show these reports and to show this list. Okay, let's see the dashboard. We are going to see each of these sections. I'm not going to show every report, but I want to show the capabilities and features that you can have with this software. So the dashboard, you can customize it, okay? But um, I put the following widgets. So I have the total value of all coins, which doesn't include fiat. I have the total value of all currencies, which only include fiat, and the total account value, which is adding the value of all currencies plus the all coins. They give you the amount in US dollars, euros. You can select the currency you want to have. So in the settings, I select US dollars. It shows me the first trade that I did July 15 and last trade September 1st. So I did 176 trades and I trade 25 coins. The current Bitcoin price is shown here, and then we have two pie charts where one display all the currencies I have and the amount of each, and also the amount that I have in each of the exchanges. Okay, these are other widgets that I like, which is the trades per month and the Bitcoin price for the last 30 days. This one shows my account value in US dollars and in coins. Okay, so, and one that I use the most is current balance by coin. So here you can see like CoinMarketCap or any other Blockfolio or different applications, the trend during the 24-hour period or 1 hour, 7 days, 30 days. By the way, this application has a mobile application where you can see this information. The timeline, this one I found interesting. It has some milestones. So here, for example, the LA token I bought DNT, CAT, Banquera, or different coins. So this is the dashboard. Okay, let's go to the reporting. In reporting, we have trade statistics, trade list, trade price, current balance. Okay, so you have reports for trades, reports for balance, report for gains, and easy tracking. I'm not going to go into detail of each of these. I'm going to show one or two in each section. So trade lists are all the trades that you execute, which trades they call a transaction, okay? It can be also a withdrawal or a deposit, and they call it a trade. So here I have the different trades that I did, the dates, and what I trade. For example, in this particular case, I bought one Litecoin and I sold US dollars. In this particular case, I bought two Omisigo and I sold Ethereum. This one in particular I imported with an API, but some of them I needed to introduce or insert it manually, mostly ICOs when the coin doesn't exist. So one of these sections is balance by exchange. In this report, you can see the amount of currency you have, the value of the coin at the moment that you bought. You see it in US dollars and in Bitcoin, and the current value in US dollars and in Bitcoin. So this particular report, I use it a lot. And so I can see the value I have in each of these exchanges. So for example, here I have $1,872 in Bittrex, in Ether Delta I have 300, GDAX, and so on. So these exchanges, you put the name, okay? It's not that they insert the name for you, except if you import it with an API. So realize and realize gains. Here you have filters. You can say first in, first out. You can include unsold asset as cost basis. You can include only digital currencies or all currencies. So in this particular case, I have only cryptocurrencies. So here, I like to do this. I sort by change. So it seems that I make 4,400 percentage in Birch, and here you have the unrealized and unrealized gain and losses. So you have the cost, the current value, and the difference is either an unrealized gain or a loss. When you sold some of the coins, you have the realized loss. So here you can see I have some losses, and in the end I have a change in my portfolio of 186%. The current cost or the cost at the time I bought was with the BTC or the Bitcoin at that price is 1180 US dollars, and now I have this amount at current BTC value. Okay, so you also have other reports like trade analysis, average purchase price, and so on. Here enter coins. So here we saw the output and the dashboard. So this is output only. Now here we are going to see how we can input information. So you have the manual import. The manual import is where you can enter your transactions manually. So you will put like new. You have different transaction types. It can be a trade, general deposit, income, mining, gift, or out is a withdrawal, a spend, donation, gift, stolen, lost, transfer. So let's say that I put a new general deposit and I said that I deposit $1,000 US dollars, and you select the exchange. So I will say that I selected in GDAX a transaction, and here you have the deposit in GDAX for $1,000. You can delete in mass and you can modify in mass. You can use like filters to do that. So here you can say a condition and find those matches and then manipulate or update some transactions. Other way to import is you can import directly from the exchange. So let's say that I want to import from Binance. you will need to, they give you clear instructions of what you need to do. So you need to navigate to Binance.com, go to order trade history. You will export the trade history into a CSV file, and then you will select that file here and import. If you use an API, you can, so here they divide between CSV and API. If you use CSV, all these transactions are going to be imported. If you use API, only trades, deposits, and withdrawals, but no fees. So that you have for all these exchanges. For APIs, you have also APIs for all these exchanges. Let's say, for example, I want to import from Bittrex. They also give you a clear instructions of what you need to do. So you need to log in into your Bittrex account, navigate into settings, create a new key, enable only read info, click on take keys, enter your key and your secret here. And once you save the job, it's going to run at the time that you specify. You can also import from wallets. Let's say that I put a ETH wallet import. Here you will put your ETH address and you can say what you want to import. So import all the ETH transactions, import token transactions, and incoming and outgoing, only incoming or outgoing. And you can also give here a label. So each time that it download, you will see or you will understand that this is from this particular address. Bulk import is importing CSV, Excel. This is what I did actually in this particular demo to import only 200 transactions. Charts and trends, you can see coin trends. So it's going to take some time. Let me open another one first. Let's go to coin charts. So here you have your BTC, or you can show charts of all my coins. So if you show charts for all my coins, it takes some time. The performance is not working really well. And you see each of the coins that you have, the different charts. To don't make this demo longer, I'm going to show now the tax report. The tax report, I already created one tax report for 2017, but you can say open settings and create a new tax report. So you select the tax year, you can filter here, you can filter what kind of transactions, what kind of exchange you want. So you have different filters here. You can say long-term trades, short-term trades, and you generate a new tax report. So here we have the tax report. When you load the report, you will see what is short and long-term gains, the proceeds, the cost, and you can download this into TurboTax, into Tax Act. You can create the form 8949. You can download it to Excel, CSV, PDF, or copy the table. So in this particular case, until now, I have to pay some taxes here. I need to pay gains for 902. So you also have income reports, gift and donation reports, loss and stolen reports. I have some stolen currency, so it created for me, and all kind of reports that you can use for tax purposes. Here, what I was saying before is you can define what currency you want. I select US dollars, but you can select all these currencies. Okay, so this is the end of the demo. I hope you like it. I'm going to leave referral link that you can use. It's going to be free for you for the first 200 transactions, but then for people like me, in my real account, I have 3,000 transactions. I trade most of the days, and it helped me a lot to track everything. So please, if you want, just use my referral. I hope you like the video. If you like it, please give it a like. If you didn't give didn't like, and if you want, you just can subscribe to my channel and click the bell to get notifications about my videos. Thank you very much.